Why are there still horrendous experiments on animals?
For hundreds of years, society has accepted the maxim that animal experimentation is a necessary evil. Not only is it not necessary, it's counterproductive. 90% of drugs that pass the tests in animal models fail in human clinical trials. You would actually be better off just tossing a coin.
What you mean is that when the experiments actually worked in animals, then 90% of those failed in humans.
Yes, that's exactly right. The drugs that we have that work really, really well today, we got those despite animal testing. We now have treatments for a host of diseases that, had we believed the animal model, we would not have.
And when people say, oh yeah, but all the drugs you get from your chemist, aspirin, they've been tested on animals, they could have been tested on us first, we could have found them in a tree bark, and then we go, and now let's test it on a penguin. People go, it was already working. It was nothing to do with the animal test when it worked.
Exactly. What we have today is trans-species modeling theory, which explains, based on evolutionary biology and complexity science, that you're not going to get the right answer from animals. I don't care how much you tweak them. I don't care how much you modify them genetically. It's not possible. The animal experiments are not going to accomplish giving you a cure for cancer. They're not going to accomplish telling you whether the drug is safe and effective. You need human-based studies.
As a scientist, what do you want? How do you get your peer group to look at this?
We're trying to get a hearing endorsed by Parliament, judged by scientists from all walks of life, physicists, mathematicians, chemists, biologists, and so forth, who do not have a vested interest in animal experimentation. And the pro-animal experimentation people can write a position paper, I can write a position paper, and then we can give it to the experts and let the experts decide.
It would be the greatest scientific discovery in the world. That animal testing doesn't work, let's stop it, and put all this money into something that works better. This seems to be a no-brainer. This is incredible. It's a game changer.